aren't they? They're all shooting here. Jeez. You know, I see the same thing here as I see elsewhere, that especially in the west, where good intentions. They put these facilities in, picnic benches and things, and they probably get some money from the government to do it. But they never allow for maintenance, and then so the cost has gone into produce, you know, for putting these nice areas in. And then afterwards they think, well, hang on, well, who's going to maintain it? It's going to cost us money to maintain it. So then over the years it kind of diminishes, and then back there, as you can see, you've got all the weeds growing up through the picnic tables, which is sad. It could just be that in Korea they sort of plan on maybe May, you know, late May onwards for summer. And there were strimmers back there, I could see people on strimmers doing work elsewhere, and they think, right, we'll do it once, middle of May, end of May, and that will be it. But this still is a long way out from civilization here, so I don't know. And this is a cycle, although there is a road up there so people can travel to it. But when you get there, there's not much there, is there? So. But this is an eye, look at this cycleway, it's lights here, lamps, pigeons, what more could you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're land on the road again. I wonder why they do this. Is there seeds coming in from the flowers and things on the road? They can see better. And they feel safer perhaps on the road because they can see, whereas in the grass anything could get them, snake, rat or whatever. I bet they're getting really pissed off with me. No peace for the wicked. I've tried to put the camera on at various stages to show all the different types of cycling that there is. This is one example, isn't it? It's a sort of parkland. Mountains to the right. Some big mountains to the left. Are they mountains? I think we'll call them mountains. Once again, no signage, only these markings on the road. Gears are getting a little bit sticky on the bike. You're okay. But, I think a lot of dust and everything's got in and the oil's dried up. Probably just need to go on actually. Sign there in front of me. What's that looking at? see the flowers, blue and yellow. A bit of a headwind isn't helping, but it's probably what slowed me up today actually, I didn't realise. God, there's those little creepy crawly caterpillars going across the path here. I'm trying to dodge them and miss them, but loads of them. So I'm afraid some won't make it home tonight. Finally, look, some blue. That's the sign for the. There's another one. I haven't seen that for a while. Another thing is, because I'm using something called Gyenae-ri Maps. I've mentioned it before, but Google Maps doesn't work here. The reasons are probably security, but anyway. So I'm using something called a Korean app called Gyenae-ri Maps, which is mainly in Korean, but it's okay. And often I'm given choices of which way to go. So there's nowhere really, there's no kind of set defined route, this is the main way sort of thing, and if you want to deviate off it, that's up to you. There's options in most cases of doing everything here, because all you're doing is going from A to B, aren't you? And that's been a bit tricky, because you're never sure why they would give you an option. Invariably it's mountainous or something, or some other distraction. But I have noticed that there are little symbols on the map where some show someone cycling and others show someone walking beside a cycle. They're only very, very small. They do show up sometimes. I think that's probably how I got caught on that MTB, that mountain bike trail, but that did seem to be the main route. So this is why I don't really fully understand that certification thing, because it works, I suppose, in a way, but the reason I didn't do it is because I didn't want to start doing it, and you have to keep finding those red sort of phone boxes that have got the stamps in to stamp the little passport certificate thing that you have to take back, and then you get a full certificate to say you've done it. You've got to keep taking photographs of yourself outside the box and things. And I read a comment someone made. They said they didn't do it because this was before I came here. Because they were worried that if they, not worried, but they'd be disappointed if they missed one. And I thought, well, yeah, so would I. So I decided not to do it. And I've come across loads of them now. Whether I've come across them all, I don't know. And this is the thing. Imagine doing this and you've missed one, you know. So you don't get your certificate. Oh dear. I did speak to, I think they were a German or Dutch couple, that was way back, just outside Seoul, but they were saying they'd already missed one. They had to go back 5 miles. And I'm thinking, well, I'm glad I didn't do it now. You know, because that's the other thing, isn't it? You think, well, I should have, you know, there's one I know somewhere around there and I've missed it, I've got to go back 5 miles. I believe in moving forward. So I won't get a certificate. And I don't care. Because I know I've cycled from Seoul to Busan. I did it my way. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. That's strange. Should be coming into view now through the trees. Strange building. Oh, it's a tunnel. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. They're all driving past it. That's weird, isn't it? So weird. What that is? It can't be. No, it can't be landslip or anything, can it? There's nothing anywhere else right there. Ooh, it's all interesting, isn't it? What lurks beneath? Ooh, getting some signs. I haven't got a clue what they mean.